welcome back to my channel. This is Cheryl with iStylEmystyle, and today I am bringing you a little promptu home decor haul. You guys know I love black and white, and I have been sourcing a few things to bring into my home for summer. This is a very small haul, but I did want to share it with you while I could because there are some things that are on sale. So I am loving plants. I told you guys I want to become a plant lady. So I bought this plant. I showed it in a haul, but I didn't have a planter for it. So I found this planter and it was on Amazon. Yeah, that's where I picked it up, from Amazon. And I saw this. It was featured in a video by, I think her name is pronounced Natanza, if I'm not mistaken. I apologize if I misspelled your name, but I saw this on her channel. And if you guys have not met her, go check her out. She has some amazing videos. But I saw this and I was able to snag it for, drum roll please, $8. Yeah, this little black pot was $8. It was on sale and I absolutely love it. I'm loving the geometric patterns this year, and I saw this was on sale at Joann's, and it was normally $20, but it was 50% off, so I picked it up for $10. Again, loving my black and white theme. I also am wanting to have some warm scents for summer, so I found this candle. And I just like the aesthetic. It's black and white. It's warm tobacco and it smells oh so good. So I picked that up at Homegoods and I thought, hey, if I like it, there are a lot of people out there who love black and white as well. So I wanted to show you that. I also want to bring some greenery into my home. You guys know I told you that. So I'm bringing some muted green colors into my master bedroom, and I picked up these sheets, or not sheets, pillowcases from Amazon. Very budget friendly. I think they were like $12. And guys, again, to go along with the greenery, I saw these artichokes. I picked these up from Amazon. Absolutely love them. Very inexpensive. I don't remember exactly how much they were, but I will leave a link for them down below. And another thing that I picked up from Amazon is this really nice blanket. Absolutely love it. This is going in my master bedroom. Also picked up from Amazon, and I want to say it was like $25. And I have been shopping for some foam florals, and I saw these. I love the color. It's like a muted green with just a hint of purple. These I picked up from Bed Bath & Beyond. They were normally $12 a stem, but they are currently on sale for $6. So if you are liking this look, I would suggest you run to Bed Bath & Beyond and place your order. Got these online and they shipped very quickly. And then the last but not least, I needed some flower pots to go with my new plants. And so I was on Ikea's website and I saw these, and believe it or not, I picked these up for $5 a piece. So I got 3. So yeah, that's my quick home decor haul. If you guys are interested in anything you saw, please run now and get it.